Hello guys, most of them get answer 3 for this problem. It is wrong. Let's see. 18 divided by 2 by 3 times 9. Now do simplify this. We'll get here 3. Now 18 divided by 2 times 3. Now this is 6 divided by this 18. Here it is 3. This is wrong answer. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS multiplication and divisions are same priority, addition and subtractions are same priority. We have to follow here left to right rule. As per this, we have to do this first. So 18 multiplied by changing this order 3 by 2 multiplied by 9. Now we have to do this. Simplify this. We'll get here 9. Now 9 times 3 times 9. Now this is 27 times 9. This is left to right rule we followed here. So now 27 times 9 is 243. This is the correct answer. 243.